Hi, my name is Felipe Engineer-Manriquez. I would like to personally invite you to attend the upcoming LCI workshop, Ready, Set, Go Scrum. With all the information out there, sometimes it feels like applying lean construction practices involves complex equations, heavy math, and voodoo practices. That is not necessary. I'm going to share with you lessons and how to apply Scrum in construction and design based on my experiences with thousands of teams. And there will be time to answer your questions so that you can implement Scrum no matter what phase you're in, size of project, or level of lean experience. Are you ready to take your construction projects to the next level? During this half-day workshop, you'll gain a clear understanding of Scrum and its relationship with lean construction practices. You'll also get to experience hands-on application of Scrum and learn how to use it effectively with your team. Whether you're a project manager, superintendent, designer, pre-construction lead, or architect, Scrum can help you deliver projects easier, better, and faster. And don't worry, if you don't have any prior lean experience, the workshop resources provided will guide you through scaling up to a fully functional Scrum team. Take advantage of this fantastic opportunity to boost your productivity and keep your project team aligned on complex, fast-paced projects. Thank you for considering this invitation. I look forward to seeing you in the workshop.